This is Dad trying to back the boat in for the third time.
Left. No, no, right. Left. Wait. Hey, hey, tell your dad to be careful.
And Dad fell again.
Should have gone to Blue Points.
And this is how we do it now at Blue Points.
Avoid all the hassles. Come to Blue Points Marina and just have fun.